Hello, welcome students. In this session, we are going to know about how to identify different parts of dismantled compressor.
By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the external components of a reciprocating compressor. Recognize the internal components of a reciprocating compressor. Identify the external components of a rotary compressor. Recognize the internal components of a rotary compressor. Make a note of each component for both reciprocating and rotary compressors. Now, let's see the tools, equipments, and consumables. Box spanner set with ratchet handle. Ball peen hammer. Screwdriver set. Measuring jar. Ratchet wrench. 100 mm nose pliers. 200 grams nylon mallet hammer. Wooden and steel work table. Mallet or hammer. Bench vise. Hermetic reciprocating compressor. Rotary compressor. Dismantled compressor parts. Cotton waste. Kerosene oil. Compressor oil. Now, let us see the process of identifying different parts of reciprocating compressor. Identifying different parts of the reciprocating compressor. Organize all compressor parts neatly on the work table. Conduct a visual inspection of each compressor part, noting its size and shape. Examine individual compressor parts closely to make sure of their dimensions. Identify and record the compressor parts using table number 1, which includes valve plate, suction valve reed, discharge valve reed, head plate, piston,
all ring grooves, compressor ring,
crankshaft, connecting rod, muffler. Clean all components using the specified oil. Inspect each compressor part for signs of wear and tear. If any compressor parts appear damaged, replace them with new components. Ensure that you are using the correct replacement parts. When replacing parts, refer to the user manual to confirm the part numbers. Apply a thin layer of oil to each component after inspection and cleaning. Now, let us see the process for identifying the different parts of rotary compressor parts. Stationary blade. Identifying different parts of the stationary blade type rotary compressor. Lay out each component of the stationary blade type rotary compressor on the work table. Conduct a visual inspection of each compressor part, observing its size and shape. Examine individual compressor parts closely to determine their dimensions. Identify and list the parts of the rotary compressor in a tabular column. Housing, suction service valve, discharge valve plate, blade, rotor shaft, eccentric shaft, roller impeller, cylinder. Familiarize yourself with the functions of the rotary compressor, which include air compression, power conversion, continuous operation, versatile use, high efficiency, oil injection or oil-free operation, control and regulation, low vibration and noise.
In this topic, we covered the following points: identifying the external parts of the reciprocating compressor, identifying the internal parts of the reciprocating compressor, recognizing the external parts of the rotary compressor, identifying the internal components of the rotary compressor, noting down each component of both the reciprocating and the rotary compressors. I hope you all have understood the process of identifying the different parts of dismantled, reciprocating and rotary compressors. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.